Alright, guys, now I'm going to show you how to replace your old shower head. A lot of people think it's a whole big ordeal to change a shower head. It's really not. So I'm going to show you the new shower head. If you look now, most of them have a screen inside with a little rubber boot. Now that little rubber boot eliminates the need for the tape and all that extra crap that you used to have to use to get those off. So for the new shower head, you need a pair of pliers. That's really all you need. So we'll go over here to the old one, and righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, so counterclockwise. Get it loose. Once it's loose, it spins right off. Now, I always just clean the bottom off, but none of that extra junk is necessary anymore. They seal right up. So let's set the old one down here and get the new one out. Always make sure that your screen is in there, and make sure the old screen is not stuck. They will stick. That new rubber boot gives it a really good seal. Now you're going to put it on, make sure it's lined up. Turn it clockwise. Get it good and hand tight. Once you've got it hand tight, use your pliers. Now you don't have to crank it down. Nice and tight. That's it. Folks, I can't stress this enough. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. You don't like your shower head? Change it. If it's starting to get clogged up with hard water, we got hard water here in Cincinnati. It starts getting clogged up with the hard water, change it. $5 water head, shower head. You also can get the new massagers, or the extensions that has the hose on it. They all hook up exactly like that. That's it. You screw it on, tighten it down. Hope that helps, guys.